Hi, I'm Joe from Sensel, showing off the Morph today. It is a multi-touch pressure-sensitive controller. Right now we have it hooked up through Max on this computer, visualizing the touch sensitivity, running through Quanta, the audio damage synthesizer, doing some granular synth. So this is kind of visualizing the multi-touch functionality. We can have up to 16 pressure points, making contact, applying separate amounts of pressure to different zones on the controller. So here, the second one we have hooked up to a small modular synth arrangement here, and this has been set up and flashed with its setup into the memory. So this doesn't have to hook up to a computer at all. It's just got a USB MIDI hookup coming out, going into an expert sleeper's USB MIDI to CV interface. Then that's routed out inside of the synth voice to Noise Engineering Basimilus Iteratus and the Strange Electronics Lightstorm, which is allowing us to control both sound and our light up sign up above. And that's a lot of fun, but when we get to this one on the end here, which is running inside a Bitwig, we get the full MPE functionality of the Sensel Morph, allowing us to do individual finger-based polyphonic expression, which is really where things start getting very interesting. We get independent pitch bend, location information, pressure sensitivity. And another function of the Morph is that we can easily and quickly swap out our overlays, each one programmed to do something completely different. This one's doing loops. This one, some drums, right? And more straightforward keyboard. Very similar functionality where we get per finger expression. Pitch bend and everything else. And we can customize all of these messages through our Sensel app. That allows us to choose zones and MIDI notes, or even standard keyboard messages, complex MIDI messages like aftertouch, polypressure, things like this. And again, once we're in an application or a synth that recognizes full MPE functionality, more of which coming in the very near future, I'd imagine, with the standardization of MPE, we're going to see a lot more of this, kind of the full application of these touch controllers in our DAWs. But through Bitwig right now, we get that full functionality, that full expression. We can find this online at sensel.com, as well as boutique retailers like Perfect Circuit Audio and things like that. And at our show, we have a $50 coupon. However, generally, the Music Maker's Kit, which includes these 3 overlays and a Morph, go for around $279. Our Buchla overlay, the Thunder, is going to be coming out this month. That goes for $59. The rest of the overlays are $35 a piece individually.